Hello everyone! Today we are going to be making this flower in a vase. Let's get started. These are the pieces that you will need for today's build. So we are going to get started by building the vase first. You start out with your 2x4s in light blue. Just put them down right next to each other. And then, you're going to take your 2x4s in dark blue and put them crosswise like so. And then you're going to put the next ones in the opposite direction just so it's a little bit more stable, like so. And then you take your, what are these? 1x2x3 slopes, I think they are. And just line them up on top there. So you need 8 of those total. This comes together so quickly. It's so super easy. All right, then you take your slim 2x4 in light blue, pop it right on top. And then these 2x2 reverse slopes go on the top, like so. All right, and you add a nice little border with some flat tile pieces in light blue. And there we go, the vase is done. Now we work on the flower. Also very easy. My daughter actually taught me how to make these. You take your round 2x2s in green, put them together, put a square 2x2 like so, so that you have a nice base. And then you put these pink reverse slopes, or whatever color you want to use, in such a pattern. And then you take your round yellow skinny 2x2 for the center. And then there's these pieces. I don't know what these are. They look like faucets to me. I don't know. But they go in the middle and they look like the center of a flower. Like so. And then you take your dark pink slopes, which are your petals, like so. And then just stick your flower in the vase. And there we go, all done. Thanks so much for watching. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and don't forget to click the subscribe button.